This is number 1, just one to see. Tony reads it happily glee. On the board the number shines, learning numbers is so fine. This is number 2, 1, 2. Tony reads it, yes it's true. On the board it's big and bright. Counting makes us feel delight. This is number 3, 1, 2, 3. Tony smiles so happily. On the board the numbers clear. Learning numbers give a cheer. This number 4, 4. Count once more. Tony reads it from the board for all to see. Learning numbers joyfully. This is number 5, say it loud. Tony reads it feeling proud. On the board it shines alive. Learning numbers 1, 2, 5. This is number 6, smooth and neat. Tony reads it from his seat. On the board the number sticks. Counting fun with number 6. This is number 7, look and see. Tony reads it happily. On the board the number sticks. Counting fun with number 6. This is 7, look and see. Tony reads it happily. On the board so big and bright. Learning numbers feels just right. This is number 8, say it straight. Tony reads it, isn't it great? On the board the numbers shown. Counting numbers on our own. This is number 9, almost there. Tony reads it with great care. On the board the numbers true. Counting fun for me and you. This is number 10, shout hooray. Tony reads it right away. On the board the number 10, let's count again and again.